Most people say, trading sent him back to a job. But let me ask you something honestly. Is going back to a job really failure? Most people start trading because they are tired. Tired of alarms. Tired of bosses. Tired of routines. And then they see the dream. A laptop, coffee, charts, freedom. But this is where the first mistake happens. Trading is not a shortcut to freedom. Trading is a test of responsibility. And when someone is not ready for that test, the market teaches fast lessons. Loss. Another loss. Then confidence starts breaking. Decisions get emotional. Revenge trading begins. And eventually, they go back to a job. That's when people start laughing. See? Trading wasn't for you. But no one asks the real question. Did he quit because he was weak? Or did he quit because he finally understood reality? Professional traders never trade hungry. Never trade under pressure. Never trade thinking this is their last chance. Sometimes going back to a job is the most mature decision. It means I'm not fighting the market. I'm fixing my foundation. A job provides income. Income provides safety. And safety creates clarity. Without clarity, trading becomes gambling. The truth is, most people don't fail in trading because they are stupid. They fail because they are in a hurry. They want a one-year journey in 1 month. And the market removes impatient people first. So if someone went back to a job, it doesn't mean they lost. It may mean they finally chose to survive. Learn discipline. Learn risk control. Learn to follow a process. And when you return to trading, don't do it for money. Do it for execution. Trading is not a race. Trading is not a shortcut. Trading is not an ego game. Trading is a patience test. And the trader who knows when to step back is usually the one who moves forward long-term. If this message helped you, share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel.